These eyebrows look so good. New eyebrows, who is you? Get it, boo. What it do? What's up? KDiani here in the cut, and I'm really happy about this video because I'm about to put y'all on game. Like, look at my brows. Like, what? If you guys like the way my brows look, stay watching. But if you're new to my channel, make sure you press that subscribe button because you gonna with me regardless. So make sure you press that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up because my brows look banging, like fire, fuego, you know what I'm talking about? Like, they look natural AF, you know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all smash that subscribe and like button right now. That's what you're waiting for. So let's get straight into this video. All right, y'all, so this is currently what my eyebrows look like. They look mad dusty, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how I groom, tint, and you know, how I clean and tint my eyebrows. Basically, that's what you guys are going to be seeing today. So what I'm going to be using is the Neewr eyebrow henna in the color medium brown. So it comes with like 3 packages in it. So the first thing you want to do is grab like a blade. These are very easy to use. You can find them at your local beauty supply store, a Publix, a Walmart. You can find these like anywhere and they're mad cheap. I got like 3 or 4 different colors of these. So I'm going to go ahead and use Vaseline to place on my eyebrows where I'm going to be cleaning. And the reason why you want to do that is because with the blade on the razor, it can irritate your skin and you don't want irritated skin. So like, y'all can easily just get these things off of Amazon and be cleaning your own eyebrows and not have someone else do it. But let me grab my mirror because having a mirror in front of you would be beneficial and can help you lots. So I did go ahead and grab a napkin also, because when you go ahead and clean, just like when you shave your legs, under your arms, whatever, hair gets on here, so you want to wipe it away so that you know what you're doing. So I'm going to try my best so that you guys can see, but I'm just going to go ahead and do like a brush down motion. And like, this is what I've cleaned off so far. Always want to keep a spoolie on hand so that you can see what you're doing, and like, you can see the difference in eyebrows already. The next thing I do is I go ahead and pluck any small hairs that I have left over, like right here, if I can grab it. that's what it looks like so far. I like my eyebrows to look thick and full, so I don't mess with them too much. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean the other side. I'm gonna show you guys, of course, me cleaning the other side, and then I'm gonna show you guys what I do next. So once I finish cleaning the hairs off my eyebrows, looks pretty clean, right? My hairs tend to get kind of long. They don't look long on this one, not this time, but you're gonna do like a brush up motion, and I take some scissors and I just cut straight across. So I use this, hold it, and I cut. Yeah, I wish y'all can hear like how it sounds with the scissors cutting the hair. Like, it's mad satisfying. And you're gonna do the same thing, brush down. And then I just brush it. And I did the same thing on the other side. Now, we're gonna get into tinting my brows. Now, this is my first time tinting my brows, so let's wish me some luck. So we're gonna go in with this measuring cup, use leftover powder. I'm gonna put like I don't want to put that much, but just like this much powder. I didn't use a lot. You probably don't even need a lot. And probably like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then I'm gonna mix it up. Make sure you guys have an angled brush, because that's what I'm going to be using, an angled brush. And I'm gonna just mix it in there. And this is what it looks like so far. It looks like mud. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my eyebrows, like how I would do my actual eyebrows. Oh. Like, follow the shape of my eyebrow. I'm kind of like scared, but excited. Let's extend that a little bit. I want to make sure I cover all the hairs. I don't want to add too much on this side in the front, but I'll sure darken up my ends, because I do like the ends of my eyebrows to be kind of bold. But it does look like it's getting darker for sure as I apply it. But being that my eyebrows are pretty thick, I shouldn't want them to be too dark because I'm gonna look crazy AF. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eyebrow. Alright y'all, so clearly I look crazy AF, but it's all good in the hood. So I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Beige, and I'm just gonna clean up the area so it don't look mad wild or whatnot. So I'm going to be using a flat liner brush like this and just grab some concealer and clean my brow. This is so that I can be really sharp and clean and just wipe away that excess. Let me tell y'all something. My man better be so lucky because I don't have to go to nobody, pay nobody to do nothing. Like, I could do my own hair. I could do my own lashes. I mean, they might not look as good right now, but I could do my own lashes. And guess what? I could do my own eyebrows. Boo-hoo. Save your coins. Some of y'all probably like, oh my gosh, she went on a concealer. And it's like, it's okay, because I got 3 more. But, no. I just really wanted to look clean. So let me go ahead and set a timer. I can't act on out loud because then my phone is gonna be like setting a timer, and no, so I'm gonna just do it on my watch by myself. You know, I've had this watch for like 3 years or 2 maybe, and it still takes me a little minute to figure it out. So we're gonna make it, if y'all can see, 10 minutes, and my 10 minutes started, and I'm gonna let this sit on my brows for 10 minutes. And we're gonna see what I look like. Yeah, cause I like use Sharpie on my eyebrows. All right, let me go and chill out and stuff like that. All right, y'all, so my timer going off. Act right. Going off. So now it's time for the big reveal. All you have to do is wipe it off with water. So I'm gonna take 2 cotton balls and put some water on it. Low-key scared. Here goes nothing. Let's do this one first because we put this one on first. Y'all can't tell me nothing. Y'all can't tell me nothing. Look at this. Look at this. At first I was a little scared. Now I'm like, oh, yes. Yes, God. Yes, Lord. Okay. Don't mind me, I got problems. Boy, this one my favorite. Look at that. Them eyebrows here. Yeah, look at these eyebrows. They is clean and they look full. Guess who don't gotta use Anastasia brow pomade for another 4 to 6 weeks? Me. So if you plan on doing this and you like my eyebrow results, if you want your ends to be a little bit darker, you can go ahead and make your ends a little bit darker. But I'm actually good with how my eyebrows look. They look bomb. So to give my eyebrows a little bit more razzle dazzle, I'm gonna put a fine line of concealer at the bottom. If you guys like this video, don't start with me because I'm trying to do my outro. That's my bird. Girl, don't play with me, play with your mama. Period. Anyways, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share the video. And most of all, don't forget to subscribe and turn on that post notification bell so that you are notified when I upload a new video. You know, share this video because this can help other sisters like us look good during this quarantine. Help a sister out. Everything's gonna be in the description box down below, so make sure y'all check that out. Y'all should always check that out so y'all can see my previous videos and any items that I use. Y'all can probably get items for at a cheaper price than you guys get them in stores through my Amazon link. So make sure you guys always check the description box. But until next time, mucho besitos.